I hit it. As you can see. Todd Parker with his 308.
Wow.
You did.
Oh, she told us about this.
She did. I forgot. I totally forgot this.
Dude, you shouldn't have done
Unwrap
that.
it so you can see what it
You
is.
shouldn't have done that.
Told you, didn't I?
You shouldn't have done that.
Lever action 4570.
Yeah, you know what that is.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Bob.
Oh, sorry.
Is it watermelon any good, Todd?
Yeah, tasty. Actually.
Now we got the variety pack.
Yeah, now he's gonna get the real pinch.
Paul Peterson on the 4570. Old Henry. Todd Parker with his 308. Working smarter, not harder. Use this side by side. All right, Todd, you're on camera. What do you think?
We're gonna blow some shit up.
Think? Look at the carnage. Oh, the watermelons. Here's Mike on the 4570. And he knocked it down. Who needs to pick up your targets after a fine day of shooting when you've got chickens? All right, well, we had some fun today, but now it's time to clean up. So the number one tool today to clean up is the Gallaghers Picaroon. That's right. You remember when I bought this at the Paul Bunyan, well, it'll be a year ago, last year, for picking up logs, right? We're going to use it for a different purpose today, so check it out. So after you get done shooting some pumpkins with some friends, you always have a mess that you got to clean up. And the best way to clean up the mess is with the old Gallaghers Picaroon. See? We'll make some pumpkin pies out of these. Yes, sirree. It works just right. Gallaghers, that is. Or in this case, a pumpkin picker. Or a spaghetti squash. Whatever your choice was to shoot that day. Or a watermelon. We'll save this one for the chickens. There you go, girl. But anyway, just to go to show you that the Gallaghers is a multi-purpose tool. It's not only used or useful for logs, but for vegetables from the garden, like pumpkins, spaghetti squash, and watermelon, as you can see. So you need one of these too, I'm sure. Peterson Farms of Nashville recommends them highly for our farm and all our needs. And our chickens approve as well.